Most welders are leaving thousands of dollars on the table without even realizing it. Let's make sure you are not one of them. Tracking actual welding time helps determine fair pricing. A simple weld repair might take 30 minutes, while a large fabrication job could take several hours or even days. An experienced welder performing TIG welding on aluminum typically charges more than someone using flat core welding or mild steel. Setting an hourly rate ensures fair compensation. Many welders set their rate based on factors such as skill level and location. Skilled welders work faster without compromising quality. Efficiency should be factored into pricing. If assistants or extra laborers are required, their wages must be included in the final price. Welding businesses have operational costs beyond labor. Shop rents, electricity and welding machine maintenance add up. Gas refills, electrode replacement and grinding disk consumption increases expenses. Mobile welders deal with additional costs. Travel time, fuel and vehicle maintenance should be considered. A welder driving 50 miles to a client must account for fuel costs and wear on their truck. Insurance is essential. Liability insurance protects against damage, while workers' compensation covers employees. Certification fees like AWS or ASME accreditation enhance credibility and justify higher pricing. Checking competitor pricing reveals industry standards. Small independent welders, large fabrication shops, and industrial companies all set different rates. Online platforms like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and welding job boards provide insight into what customers are willing to pay. Businesses offering custom railings, metal gates, or heavy-duty welding services help establish pricing benchmark. Geographic location impacts service rates. Welders in high cost of living areas charge more than those in smaller towns. Market research ensures pricing remains competitive. Providing itemized estimates prevents disputes. Breaking down costs into labor, overhead, and materials clarifies pricing. Customers appreciate transparency, reducing pushback on rates. Including potential extra charges prevent unexpected losses. Unforeseen challenges like extra grinding, rework, or thicker metal requiring multiple passes should be accounted for. A strong portfolio establishes credibility. High-quality photos of clean, consistent welds showcase craftsmanship. Before and after images highlight transformations, reinforcing value. Customer testimonials build trust. Positive reviews, word of mouth recommendations, and social media engagement increases pricing power. Offering service tiers enhances perceived value. A basic word might include standard cleanup, while a premium package adds a polished finish or protective coating. Strategic discounts attract repeat customers. Offering small discounts on future projects encourages long-term relationships. Referral programs reward customers who bring in new clients. Upselling additional services increases revenue. Clients needing repairs may also require reinforcement, rust-proof coatings, or decorative finishes. Bundling services create higher value packages. A welder installing a custom metal gate might also offer powder coating or engraving, increasing project value. Some clients try to negotiate lower rates. Instead of reducing labor costs, offering small value-added services maintain profit margins. Setting firm baseline pricing prevents undervaluing work. Confidence in pricing reassures customers and builds trust. Long-term contracts create stability. Welding services for manufacturing plants, construction companies, or automotive shops ensures consistent income. Peak seasons allows for rate adjustments. Emergency repairs, rush jobs and after-hours services warrant premium pricing. Late night or weekend welding jobs should command higher rates. Material cost fluctuations require price adjustments. Steel prices, gas shortages and supply chain disruptions impact costs. Regular review keep pricing profitable. Requiring deposit secures commitments. Large projects should include an upfront payment covering material costs. Milestone payment ensures steady cash flow. Written contract prevents misunderstandings. Defining project scope, pricing and deadline reduces disputes. Including terms for unexpected changes ensures fair compensation. Clear payment policies improve transactions. Outlining deadlines, accepted payment methods, and late fees keeps finances in order. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.